Alright. Alright, Uncle Billy, it's about maybe an hour after the last video I just sent. I was testing it out, and I figured out how to use my flash here. So, I just vacuumed the, not vacuumed, shoveled right here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like right now before it even starts. So, we got, it's probably double in an hour, and here's the ramp here. Okay, whoa, damn. Alright, there's your truck that I am going to bury. And here's the drift in front of the garage. And here is that snowblower you're going to regret you showed me how to use. But maybe I'll dig your truck out for you. Maybe I'll help you so you don't miss nothing down there. Alright? Here it is before. Snow pile soon.